Here are the ingredients needed to make 12 shortcakes. So here's the recipe. Make 12 shortcakes, 50 grams of sugar, 200 grams of butter, 200 grams of flour, and 10 milliliters of milk. Liz makes some shortcakes. She uses 25 milliliters of milk. How many shortcakes does Liz make? Well, 25, and there's 10 milliliters for 12. So basically for 25 milliliters you've got 10 plus another 10 plus a half of a 10, haven't you? That's 25. So in terms of milliliters here, it's going to be equivalent to, that's a 12, that will make 12. Another 10 will make another 12 shortcakes, and half of 10 will make half of this. Half of 12, not 6. 12, that's it. So it's 12 and 12 is 24 plus 6 is 30 shortcakes. So the answer is 30. Robert has 500 grams of sugar, 1000 grams of butter, 1000 grams of flour and 500 milliliters of milk. Work out the greatest number of shortcakes Robert can make. So he's got 500, 1000, 1500. The proportions are here 50, 200, 200, 10. So 50, 200. So if it were sugar, he could make 10 of these, couldn't he? Because 50 goes into 500 10 times. But if it were butter, 200 goes into that 5 times, doesn't it? So it'd only be 5. If we look at the other one, 200 here, that's also 5. And then 10 of 500 is 50. So these are the ones that restrict it the most, because there's only 5 200s of both in 1000. So here, so let's look at that. 500 grams over, what was it, 50 grams of sugar. So how many 50s in 500 is 10. And then 1000 butter over the number of butters. They're both 200 of the next two. So that would be 200. And that would give 5. And the other one's also 1000 over 200, isn't it? And that would also give 5, as we said. And the last one would be 10 milliliters for each. 500 over 10 would give 50 lots of the recipe. So the smallest number here is 5. So that's all that can be made. So answer equals 5 lots of this recipe, and the recipe for each one of them, it makes 12, doesn't it? Each one of these makes 12, so 5 of these will make 5 12s, so 60. 5 12s are 60 shortcakes. So the answer is 60.